In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Nintendo Switch Pro controller Joy-Con on PC Steam games. By the end, Steam will recognize your Nintendo controller and translate its inputs properly in your library, so button prompts and controls feel natural. Start by opening Steam on your PC. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu and choose Settings. In the Settings window, look to the left sidebar and select Controller. Now click General Controller Settings. This opens Steam's controller configuration window, which is where the magic happens. Here, enable Nintendo Switch Pro configuration support. Depending on your version of Steam, this may appear as Steam input for Switch Pro controllers. It's the same idea, you're telling Steam to handle your Nintendo controller through Steam input so games get consistent, reliable input no matter what they expect under the hood. This applies to the Switch Pro controller and also to Joy-Con used with Steam. Steam will treat a compatible Joy-Con setup like a standard controller once Steam input is enabled. Right below that, you'll see Use Nintendo button layout. Turning this on preserves Nintendo's traditional layout, where A is on the right and B is at the bottom, and X is on top with Y on the left. If you prefer prompts to match what many PC games expect by default, you can leave this unchecked so the layout mirrors the common Xbox-style labeling. Choose whichever makes the most sense for your muscle memory. The only difference is how button labels and prompts appear. The sticks and triggers work either way. Once you've made your selections, restart Steam to apply the changes. The simplest way is to go back to the Steam menu and choose Exit, then launch Steam again. A quick restart ensures Steam reloads its controller services with your new settings in place. After Steam restarts, those settings are active. If you revisit General Controller Settings, you'll see your Nintendo device appear in the detected controllers list when it's available, confirming that Steam input is handling it. From there, Steam will provide consistent mapping in supported games, and the on-screen prompts will follow the layout option you selected. If you ever want to change the prompt style later, just come back to this window and toggle Use Nintendo button layout on or off. That's it. Thanks for watching.